Hello there. This is Zippo Butane, your source for all things about Zippo. Nice to meet you. Today, we're going to look at a new product, a recent addition. Zippo has been paying a lot of attention to the inserts that go into Zippo lately. And they're constantly releasing new products. It's a new world for Zippo. Until now, we've been refilling the lighter with oil every day. Zippo has a new butane fuel. It's usually just called butane, but it's lighter gas. It's 100% isogas. Zero impurities. There are new inserts being added constantly right now that use 100% isogas butane fuel. This is where the Zippo lighter turns into a turbo. All you have to do is change the insert, take out the old oil insert, and put in this butane insert, and your Zippo lighter changes to a turbo lighter. There are two types of butane inserts. Depending on the flame hole, if it has one flame hole, it's called a single torch. And the one with two flame holes is called a double torch. Regarding the ignition, if you look here, there's a button, right? A button that goes down. There's no gas right now. It's new product. So I'm gonna show you how to put gas in it. It doesn't light up, right? If you press it just once, just like this, and you'll get a very gentle turbo flame. Many people are asking me this these days. This is how you put in the butane gas. You take the insert upside down, and you put the butane gas upside down like this. There's a nozzle on the front, right? You line it up with the hole and just press down. It's very easy, about 5 to 6 seconds. You can hear the gas going in, right? And then release it like this. Shake it, and then do it again, like this. The biggest difference is the weight of the insert when you first pick it up. It's a little bit heavier after you refill the gas in it. Then the gas is all refilled, and it's much heavier than it was at the beginning. Now you can hear the gas, right? This is how the flame comes up very smoothly. There's also a way to adjust this flame, and if you look down here, there's a flathead bolt. If you look closely, it says plus and minus. If you take a flathead screwdriver and turn it to the plus side, the flame will be stronger. Minus, for a weaker flame. So, you can adjust it like this. So this is the single hole type. And I'll show you a double hole type. Refill again. Insert upside down, butane gas upside down. Firmly pressing down on it. The gas goes in more easily now. You don't have to hold it in for that long. 10 seconds max? That's enough to get it fully refilled. Your hand won't get any messy like before when you use the oil. And it's super easy and quick to refill. So the two-hole type has a softer flame like this, right? And two-hole type as well. You can adjust the flame with the bolt on the bottom. So you can just put it in your old Zippo case. Push aside the cam. Close the cap. And that's it. Your Zippo lighter is now a turbo lighter. Alright. I'll be back next time with more new and exciting Zippo products. Thank you again for watching the video.